Good morning, all of you. My topic is sequence and series. In this sequence and series, I am taking the first video lesson. It is arithmetic progression. Now, given some introduction about this. Arithmetic progression means AP. The definition of basic fundamental of AP is the sequence is called arithmetic progression if difference of a term and its previous term is always same. Okay, when we are taking a series which is equally increasing or equally decreasing, you can say that is the arithmetic progression, in short AP. And basically you can say an plus 1 minus an is equal to d, which is constant, and this d is also known as common difference. Okay, like for example 2, 5, 8, you can see here, you can see the difference is 3, and this sequence is increasing 3, 3, 3, 3, and similarly 8, 6, 4, 2, and so on. Now here you can see it is decreasing order and decreasing constantly, it is by 2. Okay, so this type of sequence is known as arithmetic progression. Now very first formula is nth term of this AP, which is we says an is equal to a plus n minus 1d, where a is the first term we take, d is the common difference, n is the number of term. This is the nth term. And now also we can find the nth term from last also, nth term from and. Okay, that is we says the nth term when we are moving from back side, okay, from and, so difference, or it is the common difference is moving downside, that is negative. So here slight change in the formula, that is we can say an is equal to a plus n minus 1, it is minus d. You can put minus also here. Okay, this is the formula, that is the previous formula. Here you just put d in place of d, you put minus d. That is. Now after that we will take the sum to n term of an AP. And now if we want to find the sum of nth term of AP, that is Sn, we say Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 to d, where a is again the first term, n is the number of term, and d is the common difference. Okay, there is another formula of this sum of nth term, that is says n by 2 a plus l, where l is the last term. If last term has given, we can use this formula n by 2 a plus n, n by 2 a plus n. Also there are one property of arithmetic progression, that is we says if a, b, c are in AP, it means b is equal to a plus c by 2. This is the property of arithmetic progression, basic property of arithmetic progression. Okay, and now also there are some question inserting the arithmetic mean. Mean means average. If we are putting the nth means between the two numbers, say AB, like A1, A2 up dash up to an. So you can see here that this term is become a n plus 2th term, because A and B already exist, and we are putting n terms between A and B. The total term become n plus 2. So n plus 2th term is B. We are using the first formula here, the n plus 2th term, a plus n plus 1 d. So now when we calculate this here, d would be b minus a upon n plus 1. This will be common difference between this sequence. Okay, and using this common difference we can find the arithmetic means which we are inserting between a and b. We will see some question of this also. Now I am taking some question from textbook. Okay, starting from very simple easy question just for introduction. Now there is one series, say AP 9, 12, 15, 18, and this is a series going on, and they are asking that what is the 16th term. Okay, now the first term is 9 and we will find the common difference. We will take the difference of two terms, 12 minus 9, which is 3, and n is equal to 16. Now what is the basic formula? An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, now so we are finding 16th term. So a is 9, n is 16 and d is 3. 15 into 3, 9 plus 45, that is 54. The 54 is the value of 16th term. Value of 16th term. One another question. Suppose that they are asking which of the sequence, there is one sequence given, that is 72, 70, 68 and so on, and they are asking which term of this series is 40. They are asking which number of terms, which term of sequence this is 40, which this is 40. That is the question. Okay, so now simply let nth term of this series be 40. That means an is equal to 40, a is 72, d is 70 minus 72, it means minus 2, and n is question mark. They are asking n. They are asking n. Again we will use that very simple formula, the very first formula. The value of an, which is 40, a is 72, n required, d is minus 2. Simplify it. Minus 32 is equal to minus 2n plus 2. For more calculation, 2n is equal to 32 plus 2. So 2n is equal to 34, n is equal to 17. It means the 17th term of this sequence, 17th term of this sequence would be the 40. Its value will be 20. Okay. So these are the first two questions. Now I am taking some another interesting questions from book. The question is, if the mth term of an AP, if mth term of an AP is 1 upon n and nth term is 1 upon n and nth term is 1 upon m, then give, okay, then so that it's mn term, then so that its mn term is 1. Okay, that is application type question. Mn term is 1. So now the first condition has given here am, it is 1 upon it. It is 1 upon n. Am means a plus m minus 1 into d. Right? This is the mth term. Now it is the first equation. Similarly, an, it is given 1 upon n. So it is a plus n minus 1 minus d is equal to 1 upon m. So you can see here we have a two equation. We will solve this equation and get the value of a and d. Get the value of a and d. Now from equation 1 and 2, okay, subtracting equation 2 from 1, and in this way you will get the value of d, which is 1 upon mn. 1 upon mn. Now after that we will put value of d in any one, then we will get the value of a, which is also 1 upon mn, which is also 1 upon mn. Okay, I repeat that they have given the mth term is 1 upon m and nth term is 1 upon m, asking so that its mn term is 1. Okay, so now we will use these two conditions that is given. The first is am is equal to 1 upon n, using the basic formula a is equal to a plus m minus 1d 1 upon makes first equation. Now after that, second condition, this nth term is given 1 upon n. Now using this again the formula, now that is the equation 2. Solving these two equations, we will get the value of a and d. After getting this value, now coming the main point, that is amn, mth term. So the formula, according to formula, this would be this, right? A plus mn minus 1d. We are putting the value of a, which is already we have here 1 upon mn, and value of d, it is also 1 upon mn. So 1 upon mn and mn minus 1 upon mn, taking mn LCM, 1 plus mn minus 1, this and this cancel, mn upon mn, and now you have value. Okay, now you have a value 1. Okay. So this is the proof. This we have to show that. Now I am taking some other interesting questions from some points are here left. Okay, if we want to take 3 terms, 4 terms, 5 terms, are in AP, so which terms we will take? If we want to take 3 terms in AP, so we will take a minus d, a plus d. Here common difference is d. If we want to take 4 terms are in AP, so we will take a minus 3d, a minus d, a plus d, and a plus 3d. Here common difference will be 2d. If we have a 5 term on AP, so we will take 1 minus 2d, a minus 2d, a minus d, a plus d, a plus 2d. Now you can see that this is the extension form of this 3 term. Extension form. Again here common difference is d. So this type of situation can come. Okay. So now I am taking one example, one question from this situation. Now question is, if the sum of 3 number in AP is 3, sum of 3 number is, question is, sum of 3 number in AP is 3 and their product is 8, and their product is 8. Okay, then find the number, find numbers, find numbers. Okay, so now, so here we will take the first condition here, this a minus d plus a plus d, which is given 3. In which way we can easily get the value of a and d. Basically, in AP, if we have a two condition, which is two condition, which is a and d. A means first term and d means common difference. So by this way we can get the all other required things. Okay. Now, and d cancel. 3 is equal to 3, a is equal to 1. Now we have a is equal to 1 here. After that, the product, second condition, product. That means a minus d into a plus d is equal to 8, and which is means a square minus d square. Putting the value of a, which already we have here, 1 here, so we will put here and we will get the value of d, which is Now we will get plus minus 3. Plus minus 3. Okay. So now A is 1, D is plus minus 3. So numbers would be, so first you can take A is equal to 1 and D is equal to 3. Okay. So A minus D, that means you can say there are 2 minus, okay, minus 4, minus 1, so 1 minus 3. So 2 set will be here, minus 4, minus 1, 2. Okay. Now A minus D, A plus D. So 1 minus 3, we are taking 3. So it is 1 minus 3 minus 2 and then 1, 4. Similarly, its reverse we will take A is equal to 1 and D is equal to minus 3. So this is the one question of this. Now I am taking another question of sum of series. Very first question, very simple question I am taking here. Now series has given 1, 4, 7 and so on, and asking the sum of first 20 terms. Asking the sum of first 20 terms. Okay. Simply, now A is equal to 1, D is equal to 3, N is equal to 20. Everything is given here using the very simple formula N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D. This putting these value. Okay, N is 20, 20 by 2, 2A, 2 into 1 plus N is 20, 20 minus 1 and D is 3. That is 10, 2, 19 into 3, 57, 59. So this is the, okay, 590. Answer is 590. It is very simple starting questions. Okay. Now I am taking another question of application of sum. Similar to previous question, the mth term on AP. Mth term of an AP, that is AM, is 1 upon M, 1 upon N, and nth term of then AP, AN is equal to 1 upon M, then so that its sum of Mn term, the Smn is equal to 1 upon 2 Mn plus 1. Again the same situation applied here. Okay, we will take the first condition, AM is equal to 1 upon N. It means A plus M minus 1 to D is equal to 1 upon N, and An is equal to 1 upon M. That means A plus N minus 1, D is equal to 1 upon M. And now this is equation 1 and 2. The similar situation, solving equation 1 and 2, we will get the value of A, which is 1 upon Mn, value of D, which is also 1 upon Mn. Okay. After getting this, now use the formula Smn, which is Mn by 2, 2A plus Mn minus 1. That is the formula of Sn, because this is the Mn terms we are using. So Mn by 2 and 2, putting the value of A, which is 1 upon Mn, to 2 upon Mn, and Mn minus 1 upon Mn. And now after getting solution, this is Mn and Mn plus 1 upon Mn. And now this Mn cancel. Finally, you will have Mn plus 1. Okay. So this is the few question in some arithmetic progression. In next video, we will take some other portion of sequence and series. Thank you.